Welcome to your morning announcements. I'm Liam McAllister. Monday's breakfast. Today for lunch we're gonna have stuffed crust pizza, green beans, fruit and veggie bar. Monday's breakfast is gonna be pancakes. Looking in the week, athletic department still selling football jerseys. Final payments for Close-Up are due January 15th. Book club meetings for Bobcat on the 16th in Miss Whiting's room. Looking into sports and activities for this week. Friday. Today there will be high school boys wrestling at Southern Valley at 9:30. High school basketball at Niobrara Verdigris. Saturday there's going to be high school girls wrestling at West Point and junior high girls basketball here at Summerlin. There will also be girls basketball at Summerlin. Next Monday is K through 12 Christmas program. 6 o'clock in the main gym, and 7 through 12 Christmas program, 7:30 in the Ox gym. Tuesdays is going to be girls basketball at Summerlin versus O'Neill, and high school at Summerlin versus Stewart. Next Wednesday, 1:30 dismissal. High school quiz bowl at O'Neill. School board meeting. Junior high girls basketball out at Oakland Valley next Thursday. Next Friday is going to be high school boys wrestling at EPPJ and at 1:30 dismissal. That following Saturday will be high school girls wrestling at EPPJ, and that will start our Christmas vacation. That will be it for morning announcements. Please stay tuned for Jacob and Maverick's weather report, followed by Josh's podcast.
I'm Jacob.
And I'm Maverick, and welcome to the weekly weather. On Wednesday, it'll be 24 degrees, partly cloudy, 13 mile an hour winds, UV index 1 of 11, sunrise at 7:52 a.m., sunset at 5:01 p.m. That night, it will go down to 13 degrees, cloudy, 6% chance of snow, 7 mile an hour winds, moonrise at 2:12 p.m. and moonset at 3:28 a.m.
Thursday, you can expect a high of 24 degrees with a 5% chance of snow and cloudy skies. There's a UV of 1. Sunrise is at 7:53 a.m. and sunset is at 5:01 p.m. Later that night, the high is going to be 11 degrees with clouds scattered throughout the sky. There's only a 2% chance of snow and about 9 mile an hour wind speeds. Moon rises at 2:42 p.m. and moonset is at 4:47 a.m.
On Friday, it'll be 26 degrees, 24% chance of rain, 12 mile an hour winds, humidity at 66%, UV index 1 of 11, sunrise at 7:54 a.m. and sunset at 5:01 p.m. That night, it'll go down to 19 degrees, 48% chance of snow, 7 mile an hour winds, moonrise at 3:20 p.m. and moonset at 6:08 a.m.
Saturday, you can expect a high of 33 degrees with mostly cloudy skies early during the day and then partly cloudy during the afternoon. There's a 7% chance of sleet and 9 mile an hour wind speeds. Humidity will be up 82%. Sunrise is at 7:55 a.m. and sunset is at 5:01 p.m. Later that night, the high is going to be 23 degrees with partly cloudy skies. There's only a 7% chance of snow and 11 mile an hour wind speeds. The moon rises at 4:07 p.m. and moonset is at 7:27 a.m.
On Sunday, it'll be 43 degrees, 6% chance of rain, 15 mile an hour winds, humidity at 74%, UV index 1 of 11, sunrise at 7:55 a.m. and sunset at 5:02 p.m. That night, it'll go down to 31 degrees, 18% chance of rain, 11 mile an hour winds, humidity at 79%, moonrise at 5:06 p.m. and moonset at 8:38 a.m.
Monday, you can expect a high of 39 degrees with partly cloudy skies, a 19% chance of sleet and 17 mile an hour wind speeds. Humidity will be at 59% with sunrise at 7:56 a.m. and sunset at 5:02 p.m. Later that night, it's going to drop down to around 20 degrees with partly cloudy skies still, a 16% chance of snow and 11-mile-an-hour wind speeds. Moonrise is at 6:13 p.m. and moonset is at 9:37 a.m.
And finally, on Tuesday, it'll be 37 degrees, 8% chance of rain, 13-mile-an-hour winds, humidity at 66%, UV index 1 of 11, sunrise at 7:57 a.m. and sunset at 5:02 p.m. That night, it'll go down to 17 degrees, 13% chance of snow, 9-mile-an-hour winds, moonrise at 7:26 p.m. and moonset at 10:23 a.m. And that'll be it for our weekly weather. See you again next time.
All right, and welcome back to my podcast. Today's really about, I don't know what, probably, maybe just what possibilities after we graduate from school, probably. I don't know what else to talk about. I'm running out of ideas. I should hopefully have more ideas on next semester, so I can actually do more and just have to go on a literal whim. But that's to be expected after a while. Anyways, well, there's many things you can do after you graduate. You can go to college or university, you choose. You can go into the workforce, you can be a farmer or something. Be who you want to be, really. On top of all of that, it's really just depends on what you want to do. Really, just depends on what you want to do. Depends on the education and what kind of education you want into, for the workforce, really. Sure, high school, you got high school, but that's just the basics, really your basic stuff. And you won't get access to that many jobs in the real world unless you want to be a farmer or something. Then go to a university, college, something to get that degree, so you can have access to a larger amount of jobs. Basically, it gives you more freedom for a job if you can get the job. And you make a job, and you need to basically learn what you gotta do for that job, learn what your role is, and work with the others that are in the same role, and work with your employees and your boss and your manager and your supervisor and everybody else that's there with you. Work with the customers as well as jobs that has customers come talk to you, and really that's really all you gotta do. Well, that's all for now. I'll see you next week. Bye.